Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in today's video I'll be displaying affordable tools for making and styling wig for beginners. I already did a part 1 of this video, so you can kindly check it out sometime. So as I said earlier, you can check it out. So today I'll just be showing you this mannequin head and some paint. You can actually check my previous video for it. It is well detailed in the other video. So next up I'll be showing you this thread and a Weavon needle, and you can actually obtain for this curved needle displayed on the screen. And next one, we'll be using a scissors to get off excess hair and your weft. That's all for that. So I'll be showing you this. So next up is this different kind of wig cap that you can make use of depending on your choice. So this wig cap, you can use it for probably any closure wig or frontal wig, depending on what you want to go for. I actually prefer this product because it is lightweight and the tight band as well. You know, it is breathable and also dry fast after washing. You know, some people doesn't want whereby they put on a wig cap and whenever they pull out the wig they're already sweating and all that. Even when I was trying to show you my hand when I was putting it through the wig, you can see that it is easily seen. And this picture I'm displaying, you can actually use that one for crocheting and this one also for wig making as well. So that's all for this wig cap. So in the next one I'll be showing this crochet pin. You can actually check the previous video as well. I showed different kind of crochet pin you can use, and also this wig clip to hold your wefts whenever you are making them. So that is what this wig clip is for. So a Weavon brush, it is very important. Of course, why won't you have a Weavon brush if you are making a wig? It is very important. And also for styling, you'll be needing this round brush. Probably if you don't have hot comb, you can actually go for this round brush. It is very effective. You can go for it. So the next one is this wax stick. You can actually use this to avoid any flyaways in your wig, for it to lay down properly, and you can just a little, it is okay. So in order not to make the wig look too shining, so it is okay, just a little is okay. So I'll be displaying on the screen right now the wig oil serum that you can use. This also need very little and it is okay. So I'll be showing you this brush as well to lay down your edges for wig. So for beginners, you can actually use that. So for this, you can actually call this a clamp or a mannequin head holder. If you don't have a tripod to hold, or a wig stand rather, to hold your wig, you can actually obtain for this. If you don't want to put this mannequin head between your legs, can actually go for this. It is easy. You can find a stool or a table whereby you can actually clip it in through it, and you'll be able to put your mannequin head on it, and you'll be able to do whatsoever you want to do on it, probably styling or wig making. It is very affordable and you can get it in any beauty supply store. So the next one is this hair straightener. You can actually go for any one of your choice. I was showing you the degrees that you can go, how you want the straightener to be hot, so just your choice. And as well, this hair blower, it is very important. So it is even one of the important tools you must have if you need to style your wig. And also this hair coiler, it is important too if you actually want to coil your wig. So that is all for this video. I hope you find this video helpful, and please, if you know you haven't subscribed, kindly do so. Thanks for watching. Bye.